This is a review of my jackery and my water lily. Now, for some reason, it doesn't register the watts coming in, but it lights up and the percentage actually does go up. I don't know why it does that, but what's actually nice about the water lily and any solar generator is you can run this all night and charge it up. The water lily produces about 30 watts, but it's all the time, no matter what, which is nice. So using that with the jackery, you could actually run this thing all weekend for a small camping trip, depending on what you're using. Charge it at night, charge it during the day with the solar. It's actually a really neat pairing. I don't know why no one's tried this before. If someone could tell me why it shows that the input is 0 watts, but the percentage goes up, that would be nice. Because it is 14.4 volts, 2.1 amps going in. And the jackery I also like. It works on small camping trips for me. It'll last a weekend, just charging phones and cameras and stuff like that. Now the water lily is nice because it's a little more versatile. I like that it has the SAE clips, so you can basically attach anything you could ever need to it. You can run it on 12 volt directly for batteries or whatever, as long as you're around water. But the whole reason I bought this water lily was to use it with the jackery and Blue Eddy. And as you can see, it's up to 100% again. It was at 99, now it's at 100. So it's charging it, and it seems to be charging it at the full 30 watts because my phone's drawing anywhere from 15 to 20. So again, pairing these two together is actually pretty good. You can leave that run all night, charge it up, get extra time out of any solar generator. I'm surprised that this isn't more advertised for that, because jackery on the box says 4 ways to charge, but really there is 5 ways to charge, as long as you're around water. Now, as far as how long it would take to charge it up overnight, I haven't actually tested that yet. I'm hoping to do that next weekend or so and see how much power it can actually draw in when it's drawn straight down. If you like to camp, especially if you're way out in the bush or anywhere where there's rivers or streams, I don't know why everyone doesn't have this, but it seems they only either run solar or charge them through the cars. I love both my water lily and I've loved the jackery. They both work great. Water lily provides me with continuous power regardless of how sunny or sunny it's not. It's really overcast here today. But yeah, it works. Seems to work great. And just for some reason it doesn't actually show the watts coming in. but it lights up. I don't understand why. That's my little review of the jackery and the water lily running together. It does actually charge it up. It just, for some reason, doesn't register. It went from 99 to 100 in like a couple minutes.